Situation will never be in my favor. I was knowing it from day one. But I aspire to become a chartered accountant. I'm ready to give anything for my goal. Yes, I'm ready to give anything for my goal. I was knowing the people who used to say I will be there for you are not there with me. Neither they should be with me because it's my dream, my goal. Why they should be with me? I'm fighting the battle alone, all alone, to be a chartered accountant. Yes, I will definitely be a chartered accountant. I break down daily due to some personal reason, due to some outside reason. Any of the reasons comes daily and break down me. But what make me alive every time I break down is my prefix CA. I want to be a chartered accountant. I have a passion to be a chartered accountant. I have a craziness to be a chartered accountant. I'm working hard, but someday I feel, will this work will be worth to get that prefix? Then the next moment I feel, whatever comes on my way, I have come so far working hard and hard and hard, giving damn to everything, just focusing on my goal. Yes, I will definitely clear this chartered accountant. My aim in life is very simple. I want to be a chartered accountant, but that will cost me many things in my life. I was knowing it from the day one when I joined this course, and I gave it all. But coming to the final, it is costing me like it is costing me my breath, you can say it. And I'm happy. चल जान जाए तो जाए, but अब ये CA prefix तो लेके रहना है. I'm happy. I'm smiling the day by day as passing. I am giving my best. I am knowing I'm not dissatisfied with my study. I am very satisfied with what I am doing. I'm giving my best. I'm not comparing myself with anyone else. I'm just comparing myself to myself and I'm giving my best. बनना है यार, चाहिए बनना है. ये चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स है, आसान नहीं होगा, पता था मुझे. पीपल हु यूज्ड टू से चल ना करते हैं, आर दे आर नॉट विथ मी. पीपल हु यूज्ड टू से हो जाएगा यार, क्यों डरना, दे आर नॉट विथ मी बिकॉज आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन द फाइनल कोर्स. Yeah, I'm standing just one step behind my prefix, and they are not there. No one is there with me now, but I'm fighting the battle all alone with only one single hope. I will do it, and that hope is burning inside me like hell to get that prefix chart CA, and I will get it. I keep on motivating myself every day. I wake up before sleeping. I make a plan and I motivate myself because I want to get that prefix at any cost. From day one of this course, my journey was been very, very, very tough. But I was the tougher. Yes, I was the tougher. I decided to give it all, even no one supports me. I decided to make it all to this course. Those who supports me, thank you. Those who don't, thank you. You are making me stronger. Day by day, I am getting more stronger. Few days are left for my exam. I'm working all alone, fighting this battle to get that prefix CA, hashtag CA. I will give it by my best, whatever comes in my way. I will be positive. I am not caring about the result. I am just working hard to get that prefix. Who said life will be beautiful till you don't work? You have to work at any cost. So I'm working. I came alone in this world. I will go alone from this world. I will take that prefix at any cost. Before I die, I will take that prefix. I will work so hard that ICI will be saying, भाई ले ले तू अपना prefix. भाई ले ले, ये तेरे लिए बना है, किसी और के लिए नहीं बना है. I'm sweating, literally sweating. My goose, you can see the goosebump while saying all this. It's very um, whenever I say that I want to be a chartered accountant or hashtag I want to get that hashtag prefix, I feel proud on myself. Goosebump, sweating, smile in my face, and hard work. More power to me. Yes, more power to me. I will work more harder and get that prefix at any cost. This world will acknowledge me one day. Yes, this world will acknowledge me. I will work so hard. Hashtag CA prefix. Get ready. I'm coming. I'm working hard. More. I will work hard more. I will get you. Whatever bad situation comes, let that come. No one support me. I don't care of anyone. I care for my prefix. I will work hard for it. I am a chartered accountant. Yes, tomorrow when my result comes, I will be saying that. Yes. Hashtag prefix. I can give anything for you. I need you at any cost. CA Mohammed Shakib. I'll be calling myself. I know my tomorrow will be the best. I'm working today hard to make my life more beautiful, to get that prefix. Hashtag CA. And I will get it. Whatever comes on my way. I will not stop at any cost. Huge syllabus, huge burden. I forget everything what I studied. I don't have any problem. I will get that. Whatever comes, whatever it takes. I am a human being. If another human being can be a chartered accountant, why can't I? I too can be a chartered accountant. God has made everyone equal. Just we need to put our hard work, and I will be putting it. Thank you. Hashtag prefix CA.